Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Yaris headlight. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and of course, the correct replacement headlight bulb for your Yaris. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This ensures your safety throughout the process, which is our top priority. Now that you have your tools ready, let's access the headlight. Begin by opening your car's hood. You will see two 10mm bolts located on top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should detach from its mounting clips with a little careful effort, revealing the bulb. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It usually just pulls straight off. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. It should then pull straight out. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it. Twist it clockwise until it securely locks into its housing. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position. Reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning perfectly. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your Toyota Yaris headlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.